What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we have no bananas. We have a box full of models. Another stash ad video. I'll pull this out of the way so we can see it all a little better. Browsing Faceytweet marketplace and saw somebody was getting rid of a bunch of models. They had a bunch of stuff. Wanted to sell all of it, all in one lot sale. Had a few of them in there that I've kind of been wanting, been after for a while, and a bunch of other little stuff, some NASCAR stuff, and NASCAR paint, NASCAR figurine, and a bunch of other little paints and stuff. You know, another looks like somebody thought they were going to get into modeling, went and bought some stuff and decided against it. Didn't want to, whatever. Here's some more of that. Here's some gluing tips. Here's a tip: don't use that glue. These work great for the spreading wet glue and other stuff. They're good, what you call a chip brush, throwaway. And then some other paints that I will definitely use. You know, some flat black, gloss black, some silver. You know, some go-tos. Cool. Those are all worth it. This stuff, you know. Okay, what happened was he had these things all listed for sale for $60, and I saw this guy, that guy, and this guy. I was like, ooh, I've been wanting one of these. I mean, I know there's a re-release coming, and that's kind of cool. I mean, I've been on kind of a trailer kick lately. Whether or not I leave it clear, I don't know. But this bad boy, man, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. You can see it says body painted. We'll get into more of that in a second. I'll pull these off to the side, the ones that I did want. I'll talk about that Revell monogram and this beat up box a little bit. But this NASCAR, trouble, avalanche, boxes everywhere. This NASCAR stuff, not really my thing. Here, let's get this materials out here. These are all, you know, oh yeah, that's right. I did want to mention, I looked at these paints. Ooh, flat white testers. They're all brand new, never been used. No idea how old they are until I started looking at the Walmart price tag of $3.76 for this custom color, the Ford red and the Ford blue, racing red, racing blue. And you can tell by the sticker on the price tag that this is 1998. So who knows if this stuff's still good. I'll warm it up, shake the bejesus out of it, and go for the best. This guy, I like these old monogram kits. They are great for donors. These NASCARs, they're absolutely fantastic for donor kits. They've got a great big motor in them. They've got all kinds of cool stuff that you can use to make, you know, like Pro Street mods. Take another kit and put that inside of it. I've done it a couple times. It's pretty cool. Fuel cell and, you know, other neat stuff. But, like, that is pretty cool for a Pro Street. And then, of course, it's got the big Ford motor. That will go somewhere. Whether or not I actually build the NASCAR, probably not. Probably not. But, like I said, fantastic donor kits. And for the price, I paid $60 for the 3 models that I want, and it came with all this other stuff. This guy, again, bargain bin, $14, so that means it was probably marked down from 20, or who knows. It's you know, it's not a new kit by any means. It's an empty Earl, but I know somebody that I have an idea of what I'm going to do with this, as well as this stuff. Towards the end, he was just dumping stuff out of a tote. Get a bunch of die casts. Like, here, you want this one? Man, not really. It's like, here, take that. I'm like, okay, Hot Wheel, cool, whatever. I look later, it's actually a Christmas ornament. And then this guy, I have no, I'm not going to use this for anything, but a buddy of mine is a driver for UPS. I'm going to ship this to him as a joke, surprise. Here you go, put that in your models. So, whatever. Man, it's just piled up over here. I got too much stuff. So these three guys, we're not going to do any unboxings, but I will open this real brief. That one, it's got a torn box. I peeked inside. I can see sealed bags. I'm okay with that. Personally, I like the older versions. Like, people will get rid of the older ones because there's a new release coming. In my mind, this mold is in better shape when it was made here than the new one that's coming. So, cool. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Same with, like I said, with the trailer. I may paint the side, I may not, I don't know. We'll see. I'll definitely use some of it for a template to make my own trailer. And then this guy, the body painted, we'll be doing another brief video on that coming up. Announcement for something else. It's been painted, but not badly. I may keep it that color. Nah, lies. I will probably either strip it or at least sand it and repaint it. So, whatever, regardless. This is definitely another one that it's been on my watch list. It's got some pretty cool features to it that you can set the stance in different ways. But that's about it. Just a quick stash ads reminder. Watch your Facebook Marketplace stuff. There's, I mean, $60 for, that's $20 a kit for these, and it came with all this other crap. Quality items. I will never use that. Okay, but whatever. Still, you know, even the paint, I looked at and thought, okay, that's worth a try. That blue is probably going to be nice. Ford Quality Care Racing Blue. Neat. So, anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.